Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make turkey tail tea. First, gather your fresh or dried turkey tail mushrooms, ensuring they are clean and free of debris. Next, we will prepare the mushrooms by breaking them into smaller pieces. Then, we'll simmer them in water to create a potent tea. Finally, I'll show you how to strain and store your homemade turkey tail tea for optimal freshness and enjoyment. Whether you're using fresh or dried turkey tail mushrooms, proper preparation is key. If fresh, simply brush off any dirt. For dried mushrooms, a quick rinse under cold water is sufficient. The most important step is to break or chop the mushrooms into small pieces, ideally around 1 inch. This increases the surface area, allowing more beneficial compounds to be released during brewing. You can even grind dried mushrooms into a coarse powder for a stronger tea. Now, let's brew your turkey tail tea. For a good ratio, combine 1 cup of your prepared turkey tail mushrooms with 5 cups of filtered water in a pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. It's crucial to simmer the mushrooms for at least 1 hour or even up to 2 hours to extract the maximum beneficial compounds. Remember to keep an eye on the water level, adding more if needed to prevent it from reducing too much. Once your tea has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the liquid through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean container. Be sure to press down on the mushroom solids to extract every last drop of the potent tea. You can then discard or compost the used mushroom material. Allow your freshly brewed turkey tail tea to cool completely before storing it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy 1 to 2 cups daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.